but we're 6-all locked in the first game. And if Hamid Shahbagi keeps making errors like that, the cause for Willstrop's going to be a lot easier. So a first game of the highest quality from Willstrop. He now serves with 4 game balls. Trademark James Willstrop. Loose ball coming off the sidewall, finishing it on the backhand volley drop with supreme confidence. Textbook execution here.
There's a lot of work being put into this court at the moment. Look at the work being, this incredible recovery from Shahbagi. Just hanging on in there.
It's a superb rally from both players, but more importantly for Shahbagi, he's done some damage physically there to Willstrop. See here, Willstrop off balance, Shahbagi thundering it straight. The tall Englishman not looking to move for that last one.
God, you just heard the power.
Well, absolutely ripped that one straight and hard, El Shahbagi. You see how pumped he is.
To El Shahbagi, 1 game all.
Completely and utterly blitzing that past Willstrop.
Look at the accuracy on James Willstrop. He's really making Shahbagi do an incredible amount of work.
There's mercurial squash there from Willstrop. That's brilliant there from Willstrop. Patiently waiting, moving Shahbagi continually, and then putting in the clinical finish.
10-5, game ball.
Deservedly so, Willstrop serving with 5 game balls to take a 2-1 lead.
Down.
And then the error coming from a very confused and frustrated Mohammed El Shahbagi. That's just astounding. He makes it look so easy. He makes it look so easy.
And out. Down.
And there's the error from El Shahbagi.
11-5, game and match to Willstrop.
A top quality tactical performance from James Willstrop, coming into this match with a lot of physical discomfort, showing all his mental strength. Well, another world-class semi-final, 61 minutes. James Willstrop hanging on, coming through against Mohammed El Shahbagi. 11-6, 8-11, 11-5, 11-5. 3 games to 1.